Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start with the practical number one. So, uh, we have yesterday we have seen the block diagram. So, this is the block diagram which we already have studied. So, what we are going to do is this is a solar panel. We are interested to find out the IV characteristics, plot the IV characteristics of a solar cell. So, this is a solar module whose characteristics we are interested to know about. So here we are going to use the artificial sun in the form of a lamps. Okay, so sun rays will fall on it, and we are interested to measure the voltage developed across the panel with the help of voltmeter. We are going to measure it. We are also interested to know the current flowing through it. So we can vary the current flowing through it with the help of a load, because we are connecting a load in series with a panel and an ammeter in series path, so that we can measure the current. So once we are knowing with the current and voltage, we can find out the power extracted from the sun. So this is a basic diagram. So this is the moon, you will get different characteristics, because the nature of the characteristics will remain same, but values may vary because there is effect of intensity of the sun radiations. So that intensity effect we are going to study in the next bit of first practical, which is B part. So today we are going to perform only A part, which is the plotting of IV characteristics of a solar cell. So all you have to make a observation table. First column will be serial number, second will be voltage in volts, and third column will be current I in milliampere. So I hope all of you are attending my session along with a pen and paper, diary, whatever you have. So make the three columns: serial number, voltage in volts, and third one is current I in milliampere. Okay. So this is a basic block diagram. Then how the sun intensity control we are going to do, that also I'll explain you, which we require now also, and in the next bit of this practical also. So this is 230 volt AC supply, which we are giving parallelly to the two sources, source 1, source 2. See, one point is connected to one of the terminal, other point is connected through control circuitry to the other point. So this source is getting 230 volt AC. Again, this is connected in the same way, because see, second terminal through control circuitry to the supply another point. So these two are parallelly connected because all the lamps require 230 volt AC supply. So here source 1 will contain 5 lamps. I'll show you practically, and source 2 will also contain 5 lamps. So you can vary the number of lamps to be on in both the sources to adjust the intensity. Okay. So now I hope you have understood this basic diagram. Now we'll start performing the practical. Keep your observation table in front of you so that you can take the readings, and then afterwards you have to draw the characteristics. Okay, so this is the setup which we are going to use. I have shown you this diagram. This diagram just now we have seen. I know it is little blur, but this is a video, so you will get a clear image of it once we go to that particular part. Okay. And these are the meters, display meters. One is for voltage, one is for current in milliampere, voltage in volts, and this is for temperature indication, because third part of experiment number 1 is effect of temperature. This is on off switch. Again, I'll show you once we proceed with the video. These two are the load. So we can vary the load by adjusting these two knobs. These are the rheostats. You can vary to variation of the current. And these two are the intensity control knobs. There are 5 different positions on this selector switch. By moving this clockwise and anti-clockwise, you can make the corresponding lamps on and off to adjust the sun intensity. So this is a kit. I'll explain you time to time. So this is a setup, you can see. Okay, it has input power cord which we are going to connect to 230 volt AC. Okay, so it is already started. You can see it has a power cord. I'm showing you the back side. This is a cable through which we are giving the input to our kit. So this is connected to the power supply. We can make it on. So I have made it on. Okay, so supply is given to this kit. Now there is a on off switch, you can see here. I'm making it on. So it has made on. Now these knobs, as we have discussed, are the loads. So there are two loads, 0 to 100 ohm. This is first one, and second one is 0 to 10 ohm. So you can adjust it for adjustment of the current. This is source 1 for intensity adjustment. This is source 2. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 positions are there to the knob. I have made all the 5 on. You can see the solar radiation. This is our artificial sun. You can see the light coming out to ensure that the lamps are on, meaning that sun is present. So current is changing. You can say even voltage developed is increasing as I am increasing the intensity. Even current delivered is also getting increased because we are extracting more amount of power. This is a temperature 28 degrees centigrade at which I am taking the readings. So this way you have to take the readings. So here at a particular loading condition, these readings are coming. So now in A bit, when we are plotting the IV characteristics, you have to first apply, I mean, make the sun on, artificial sun on. So here I have put it for 5 position, this also 5 position. So considering that full moon is there, sorry, full sun is there, intensity we are getting full. So with that intensity, now we have to adjust the values of load currents. So first of all, we will find out the point of open circuit voltage and short circuit current. So let us see how we are performing it. See, I am trying to, here I am increasing the current. Now I have started decreasing the current. So let us see what minimum amount we can get for the current. Current is 0 because we are making the load open. So that will be our open circuit voltage VOC. So minimum current that we can adjust is 0.16 milliampere. You can take this reading. 0.17 milliampere is your starting point. Current is 17 milliampere. At that time, your corresponding value of voltage is 1.94 volt. Okay, 1.94 volt. So this is the highest voltage VOC that you are getting. We already have studied IV characteristics of a solar cell in our theoretical sessions. So this is the maximum voltage that we are getting from a solar cell, and this is the minimum current as good as a zero current. All of you have, I hope you have taken the reading. Let us continue. Now, this is the first reading. Now we are going to adjust the loading condition. So see, my current is say 23 milliampere is the current. At that time, you can take the voltage as 1.92. This is your second reading. I hope you have noted it down. Moving further, take this as one of the reading. 25 milliampere is your current. 1.89 is the voltage. Again, I am changing the load to take the next reading. You can take this as the next reading. 33 milliampere, 1.86 volt. Again I am changing the load. So I'm trying to adjust it to say 10, 20, 30 likewise. But such precise control, whatever I'm getting. So you can take down this say 39 or a 40 and voltage is 1.79 volt. Next reading. 50 milliampere, 1.77 volt. Okay, 50 or 51, 1.7473 you can take. Next reading, 65 milliampere or 63 milliampere and 1.64 volt. I hope you are taking down the readings. Next reading, 79 milliampere and 1.55 volt. Next reading, 97 milliampere, 1.41 volt. Next reading, 115, 150 milliampere, 0.69 volt. Next reading, 161 milliampere, 0.07 volt. Okay, this is full now. We cannot vary the load beyond this. So 154 milliampere. So this is the maximum current it can we can draw from solar panel. 154 milliampere with a voltage of 0.56. So you will get the characteristics as we have studied in the theoretical studies, but operating point we have to decide depending upon the constant voltage level. Okay, now you can see the temperature also has been increased. It is now 42 degree centigrade. So now I'm changing the intensity to just show you the effect. Next time we are going to perform this practical. See, the values has been decreased with the decrease in the intensity, right? See, the current and voltage, both the values are changed. Now I have made the sun unavailable. Okay, both the knobs are on zero position. So we are making the lamps off. You cannot see the light coming out, meaning that there is no sun, say evening time, so panel is not generating any voltage, so we are making it off. So this is how your practical number 1 bit A is completed. Okay, and draw it on a graph paper. Any doubt